HTML versus JavaScript. HTML. HTML was first developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. Tim Lee developed the World Wide Web and created HTML as its publishing language. HTML is more of a structural language, so it encompasses headings, paragraphs, text, images, and links, which all come under HTML. HTML code structures like a tree with like smaller and smaller sections that branch down. So first you start with your header, then you have titles, then body, and it can go smaller to different paragraph sections of your body. CSS. CSS was proposed by Haakon William Lai in 1994, whom at the time was working with Tim Berners-Lee. CSS was developed to give style sheets for the internet. CSS is responsible for the style of web pages, such as color, word fonts, positioning of content, line height, and color. Since CSS is more for style, there isn't really a structural element to it except that it fits into HTML. So you can say they're pretty similar. CSS and HTML complement each other, and you would not really have one without the other unless you wanted a really boring web page and you would just use HTML. Both were created in the 1990s by two people that worked together. Both HTML and CSS are able to be made quite readable as long as you are organized and you indent correctly. They are considered to be front-end web development, which is what you see on the web page versus what would be happening like back-end, such as like JavaScript, where all the moving parts, you wouldn't see those. An example, it would be if you're writing an essay, HTML would be the actual content format, while CSS would be the font, color, and line height / spacing. These are my sources. Thank you.